So today I'm going to be making some spaghetti with ground turkey. I've already diced and cut up my green pepper and onions, probably a little too much. I'm going to do half of this turkey meat and save the other for tacos. And here's my spaghetti, and here's my tomato basil sauce. So right now I'm going to go ahead and saute these, take them out, and then brown the ground turkey, and then put them back in with the ground turkey and add the basil sauce. We got the vegetables sauteing here, got the water about to boil for the spaghetti noodles. I'm going to put the sauteed noodles in here and then use the same pan for the ground turkey. I decided to go ahead and cook all of the meat, and if I separate it for tacos, it'll already be brown. Pretty much gets the same type of seasoning, the meat itself. So, and we've got the pasta boiling over here. I need to turn it down. Turn it down. Yeah, and I've got my grounder here. So we're doing that. Spaghetti and chili and tacos are so easy, and it's that type of season where you just want warm comfort food. So yeah. Half of the meat has been taken out. I've added the tomato and basil sauce. Over here the noodles are becoming al dente, and I'm gonna go here and add some Italian seasoning, some of this garlic, sea salt seasoning, and probably some pepper and garlic powder. So yeah, looking good and smelling good. Can you guys smell it? Sauteed al dente pasta is ready. I'm trying to debate if I'm going to just add it all together. I usually leave it separate where people can just spoon how much they want on top of the sauce. So I'm trying to decide about